Hello guys, my name is Donnie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're not going to be working on the BMW but rather focus on the car behind the BMW. That is my Nissan Pathfinder and it got some engine damage that I need to repair. So I took the whole engine out and I had to strip it down completely because one of my sleeves got damaged. I had to have that re-sleeved by the engineer. And even though it looks like a horrible mess at the moment, I've got more or less an idea where everything needs to go, but I need to clean it up and reassemble my engine completely. I bought everything brand new, rings, bearings, gasket set and so on. And I also had to renew the cylinder head because the cylinder head also got damaged. So I got a brand new one over here that I'm going to be installing, but I need to swap these valves out onto the new one and put some valve stem seals in there and also seat the valves properly in the new head. So before I start assembling the sub-assembly or the block and the crankshaft and pistons and so on, I'm first going to focus on seating the old valves on the new head properly and putting the new valve stem seals and springs in there, and then I can put that head aside and I can focus on cleaning up everything on the block and on the engine and then start meticulously assembling everything from the bottom up. So guys, in this video I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking and you won't be seeing a lot of this, but stick around. It's going to take a couple of minutes and I hope to have this engine running as soon as possible. So guys, I just want to show you why I had to replace this head gasket and also the reason why I had to rebuild this whole engine. This hole was cut into this aluminium presumably because of a failed injector. So what happens is the injector got contaminated with water, it failed to operate properly, and that caused a lean combustion in this cylinder, and basically it turned the injector into a blowtorch, which then cut a hole into this cylinder head and also did the same amount of damage in the sleeve and also the piston. And I also just saw that this valve, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, also needs replacing because it burnt through the valve as it was trying to exit this cylinder out the exhaust. So guys, if you ever come across something like this, there's a big chance that it is because of an injector that failed, that caused this cylinder to run leaner than the rest and basically burning a hole into your head. The other reason why I'm replacing this, sometimes they can weld this up, but another reason why I need to replace the cylinder head is because the glow plugs also broke off in this head, and that is basically impossible to remove or replace. So I just replaced this head completely, and I'm gonna have to replace this valve also. So let's continue. Okay guys, there we go, done and dusted. Engine is built, but the proof in the pudding is starting it. So I'm gonna put it in the car and see if it runs. Let's do it. Right. It's so tight. Okay. Done. Right guys, so I tried to get as much of the air in the diesel system out as I could, and then I tried to crank it, but unfortunately my battery died and it was in the middle of the night, so I just retreated for the evening, put the battery on charge, and I'm gonna try and start it now again. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump this car with the BMW just so that there's not so much strain on this battery for the initial cranking and getting the last bits of air out of the diesel. So let's hope it starts.